Okay, so if any of you folks have ever been in a pickle and you couldn't find all the ground harness wires for the 3.6, I figured I'd show you something here. We've got primarily 3 little grounds on the engine. Now, sometimes they're here and sometimes they're bolted right here. The main ground wire either bolts there or it bolts up here. And on this wiring harness, you're going to have 3 little grounds, which are going to be right there on the back side, on there. And that can be off to the corner as well. And the same thing right here, you're going to have a ground wire there. I just thought that might be helpful for you folks. And because I'm making a video installing this engine, I thought I'd throw it in there. Now, there's also going to be ground wires on some of your wiring harness as well. Make sure if you're removing one of these engines, you put all the grounds back on, because they will cause some weird stuff.